Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to this channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about a very important topic, the health status of your hard drive. Yes, you heard that right. We are going to learn how to check the health status of our hard disk drive. And in this video, we will going to check the health status of three different type of commonly used storage drive. The first one is hard disk drive. Then comes the SATA based solid state drive, and the third one is, and the most popular nowadays, are NVMe SSD or NVMe interface based solid state drive. And in order to simplify things and not to give you some complicated command, I'm gonna quickly show you how you can download a small utility that's going to help us out to see the status of our storage drive. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my browser, and now here I'll be typing CrystalDiskInfo download. Now here we have got this official page of this CrystalDiskInfo, and from here we just need to click on this first which says CrystalDiskInfo. Just click on it, and in this way we can download. Now let me click on open. Now let's run this setup. So the setup is very small and straightforward. Just you need to click on next, and after a couple of next, we are good to go. Now let me click on finish, and this will also launch this CrystalDiskInfo. If in case you have unchecked it, then you may also find this newly installed software in your menu. You simply need to go here and run it as administrator. Now here I can see the status of my hard disk drive. The first drive here we can see is 500 GB WD NVMe solid state drive, and here I can see actually the complete information about my solid state drive. So here I can see the interface of this drive is PCIe Express 3.0. We can also see here total host read and total host write. So generally when we talk about SSDs, the 500 GB of SSD have a TVW of 300 TB. So here I can see this hard drive only have achieved around 25 to 30% of total read and write. I can also see the temperature of this drive, which is, I would say, slightly toward higher side, because 47 degree I would say is typically toward higher side. Maybe this indicate that I should use some kind of heat dissipator in my SSD. So in this way guys, also we can get some kind of indication. Now let's jump into our second type of storage drive, which is SATA interface based solid state drive. These drives were popular 3 or 4 years ago when there was lack of M.2 or NVMe ports. At that time the SATA based solid state drive was quite popular because of their very high random read write speed. So here also I can see total host write is around 2.3 TB. This indicates that the hard drive status is good, but compared to my NVMe, here I can see the health status drop to 96%, which shows that the lifespan of this solid state drive actually got degraded. But still it is in good condition. Until you see caution as a health status, you do not need to worry about. Now let's move on to our third type of network storage device. The third type is conventional hard disk drive. So here I can see it shows the health status as good, which means that I do not need to worry about this conventional hard disk drive, which is working perfectly fine. Now let me quickly connect my 1 TB of external disk drive. Now let me restart so that I can see my external drive. And there we go. Here I can see my external drive is also connected, and it shows status as good, which gives me kind of satisfaction that still this hard drive will work and I do not need to worry about it. Although keeping all the data in a single drive is always risky, one thing we need to keep in mind that keeping our drive healthy is very important part of maintaining our computer. Regularly checking your hard drive with CrystalDiskInfo, keeping your drive healthy is, I would say, a very important part of maintaining your computer. Not only that, it will also ensure that you will not lose your precious data. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will catch you soon in my next video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.